I've definitely lied to get my kids to do something. I mean, I do that regularly. Does everyone not do that? Hi, I'm Kimberley Walsh and I'm playing Parenting Confessions with Mother and Baby. I most definitely have hidden in the toilet from my children. I mean, I try and do it all the time, but it doesn't work out very well for me. I have definitely experienced mum guilt. I think most recently it was when I forgot to send Cole with his Forest school clothes and I just got those eyes emojis from my husband and I was in the middle of doing a live TV and I was just like, fail, epic fail. I have hidden vegetables in my children's food. Probably the only way I'm going to get them to eat them, to be honest. I have had no other option than to grow to love baby TV. This is my third time round now. I know every single lyric to every single song. And I think that I hate it, but then I find myself singing along to all the songs, so maybe I love it really. I may have skipped pages when reading a bedtime story. I may also have completely made up the story before they could read and just really shortened it down. It's like a bullet point version. I do eat some of my baby's leftovers and I judge myself at the time, I do, because honestly it's really not, it's not great. Okay, so I like to keep a tidy house, but I have 3 boys that I basically run around after picking up toys all day long, so yes. If visitors come unannounced, there may be a slight scramble to make it look a little bit more presentable, pick up some of the Nerf bullets. I've definitely lied to get my kids to do something. I mean, I do that regularly. Does everyone not do that? Is this not what everybody does? Of course, I bribe my kids with sweets and chocolate. Sometimes it's necessary. Quite regularly it's necessary for me. Oh, I completely changed the colour of my kids' bedroom because I don't like it all the time, but I do use a little bit of like reverse psychology, like just to try to get them to like what I like. Come on, everyone does that too, surely. So I have like a toy box in my sort of nice living room where I can like shove all the toys that have made their way out of their bedroom. So yeah, I guess I do have that. I am guilty of getting my kids to do DIY with me, but Bobby in particular, he loves it. So if you're like building like a little desk or a little drawer or like a little book table, he can actually do it. So it's fun, Bob the Builder. I am guilty of making home improvements a family activity, but I think that's brilliant. My kids love getting their own like little tools and screwdrivers and getting involved. Teach them young. To be honest, I think I'm usually more likely to try and just get the childcare so that I can get an hour's peace. I'm Kimberley Walsh and you've been watching my Parenting Confessions with Mother and Baby.